Hello, my name is Ahmet Roy. I'm studying industrial engineering at Bilkent University. Today, I will be presenting my Physics 101 project, which is about the material of the surfaces, the masses of the objects, and the frictional force. In order to conduct my research, I will use spring as a source of energy in my project. Thank you.
As I mentioned, I used a spring as a source of energy. I used a dynamometer to find the constant of the spring, a ruler to find the delta of the spring and displacement of the objects, and two objects with same material and different masses, a balance to find their weights, and I used paper to change the coefficient friction of the surface. Now, I will find the masses of the objects. The first object is 60 grams. And then I'm resetting the balance. And my second object is 218 grams. To remind, the margin of this balance is 2 grams. Now, I will find the constant of the spring. Since F equals constant times delta, I will pull the dynamometer to the bigger forces and check the values on my ruler what they corresponds. And after that, I will make my calculations accordingly. As I mentioned earlier, I will use potential energy of the spring as a source of energy in my system. And since frictional force is non-conservative energy, it will be equal to the magnitude of potential energy of the spring by work energy theorem. Now, I will compress my spring gradually and find the relationship between the masses and the frictional force. So, as you see, the lighter object goes more far due to the less friction that applies on it. I will analyze the coefficient of friction and the material of the surfaces. To do that, I will compare the result that I observed in the first part and this part. Now, as I did before, I will compress the spring and measure the displacement of the center of the mass of the object that released. So, in the paper, the object slides more than the wooden surface. Therefore, we can say that we found the relationship between the mass, material of the surfaces, and the friction force in that experiment. Thank you.